Hey there, ship owners! Today I'm diving into some revolutionary methods for cleaning your ships underwater. Keeping your hull clean is crucial for maintaining fuel efficiency and preventing damage. Let's get started. First up, high-pressure water jetting. This technique uses powerful jets of water to blast away marine growth and debris. It's efficient and eco-friendly, making it a popular choice among ship owners. Next, we've got ultrasonic cleaning. This method uses high-frequency sound waves to create microscopic bubbles. When these bubbles collapse, they dislodge contaminants from surfaces, leaving your hull spotless. It's like giving your ship a high-tech spa treatment. Moving on to robotic cleaners. These are autonomous underwater vehicles equipped with brushes and scrapers. They roam around your ship's hull, cleaning as they go. It's like having a team of tireless workers who never need a break. Of course, we can't forget about diving teams with specialized equipment. Skilled divers use a variety of tools like scrapers and underwater vacuums to get the job done. They tackle hard-to-reach areas and ensure a thorough clean. Want to learn more? Contact Nereus Subsea for all the details on these cutting-edge technologies. Keep your ships in top shape and sail smoothly. Thanks for watching and happy sailing.